Hey, what's up everybody? It's your brother Josiah's back with the same video. I know it's gonna be on a different video, but I got another video for y'all. I got these LED lights for the charger to make them to like fog lights or whatever. They are LED sequential lights, so they're gonna look real clean when I put them on. So I'm gonna show y'all the install, so look out for that. But these are the lights. I got them from China. If I would have gotten them from the US, they would have been a little bit more. But I got them from China, LED. Show y'all what they look like. So they sequential LEDs, as you see. Got the same ones pretty much on the back on my trunk. If y'all seen my video on the trunk light, same damn thing, same concept. Pretty much easier install. All you got is 3 wires that you need. But I'm finna get this installed on for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. I'm gonna show y'all the install and what it looks like at night in the daytime, because really they daytime running lights. So just look out. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. It's your size, and make sure y'all hit that notification bell for so y'all can catch my videos, so y'all can see my videos when they post. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and make sure y'all leave that comment so I can see and know what y'all want, so I can get y'all this good content. But look out for this install.
And the prophets are back, and the law is back, and my crazy is black, and my God he is black, and the angels are black, and you got to stay focused and do not depart, stay right on the track. Revelation chapter 7 verse 4. And I heard the number of them which were sealed, and there was sealed 144,000 on the tribe.
Back again with the same video. Let's say I'm gonna put these lights on this right here. So instead of those little stock ass fog lights, I'm gonna put these lights on there. Sequential lights, but let's make sure they work first. What I'm gonna do is pull out the bulb that goes right here, because when you make a right turn or a left turn, this is what flashes on the 2011 and 2014 chargers. So I'm gonna take that bulb out and test it real quick. This right here is the bulb. Should look ashy. Now I'm gonna see if this is gonna work. I think it's on a. What I might end up doing is putting it back to my trunk, because it's already connected to the trunk. But it really won't run until if I do put it back there, it won't run until the nighttime. So which will still be clean, but I want it to run in the daytime also. So what I'm gonna do. So what you're gonna do is connect the yellow and the blue, or my bad, the yellow and the red wire, so the power wire and pretty much the AC wire to make this thing go. And then I'm gonna try to find the ground, or I'm gonna have to ground this ground wire. I think it's on the relay. I might have to wire it from the back. It'll be much easier if I do wire it from the back. So let's see something real quick. So once again, I'm coming to the back of the car to hook it up, just to make sure it works from here. So I'm probably gonna end up hooking it up to the back, because the fronts are on the relay. So I'm not gonna be able to really find the wire. I really don't feel like looking for all that shit. So, and most likely the wire is probably back here, because and you will need if you don't have it. I mean, I already have mine set up, so I don't need to use a tester. All I do is gotta hook it up real quick and make sure it works. So for this job, for this install, you will need a tester. And also make sure, man, if y'all want to know how this is installed, I already have it hooked up and tested. I can give y'all the wires. Just let me know if y'all want it. Just let me know if y'all want it to me to make a video on it, man. I mean, real easy. Use a tester. Use a I forget what the hell it's called, but it's called some damn tester. And you just put it on the wire, and if it's blinking right and left like that, then that's your right turn or that's your left turn. But let's get to it. Already have it hooked up, so all I'm gotta do is really easily just make sure it works. I got extra wire. Make sure you have some extra wire just in case. I don't know. He said it's supposed to be sequential, goddammit. Alright, let's get this put on to the car. It is what it is. It's supposed to be sequential, bastards. So what I'm about to do is pretty much add some screws at the end. Trying to fuck me over there, not fucking sequentials. I see sequential lights. They kind of are and they kind of not, but they still look clean. So I'm gonna put them on the car. I paid for them. I'm not finna ship them back to China and take all fucking. It took me like a month to get these, so just be on the lookout for the video. You will need a drill bit because you might to feed the line back. You kind of don't want it sitting like that, so I'm gonna drill a hole like in the middle, or like I'm gonna drill a hole somewhere so where it can just feed back. You don't have to do it, but that's what I'm gonna do. So you will need a drill bit. You don't. Oh yeah, you'll need a drill bit. It's faster, it's easier, all that good stuff. And you can just do this. Look at this video for any aftermarket install for lights. So it's a really easy install. You don't need much. It's gonna feed the wire back to the trunk, and that's it. So you might need a drill bit, drill a hole. So we got it looking like that. So let's get this thing put on. So I'm going to use some extra wire, which I have in this bag right here, to wire it all the way back, both sides. Depending on what type of car you have, it doesn't necessarily have to be the Dodge Charger, but the cars, like older cars, if you have anything, even if you have an older, if you have an older car, like maybe 2000 to like 2010 or something, they're not like relay like they are nowadays. That's why I hate newer cars. So, but it's all worth it at the end of the day. But, let's go and get this thing put on. So let's get this thing wired all the way back. So right now I'm just wiring the wire all the way to the back. So I got it from that way. You see that wire running up all the way up to here. It's like if you would run your amp wire and stuff like that. So now I'm running it through right here. Continue the video. So I got the wire all the way to the back, from this way all the way under into here. So just make sure it works again. Like I say, this is an easy install, doesn't take long. So they are working. They're like sequential, but they're not. It's weird. You see them like kind of going left to right, but it's going really quick. So it is from China, so it is what it is. It does look a little different, does look a little better. Make the charger, change up the charger a little bit. I'm not gonna give y'all the other side, it's the same thing, but I'm gonna show y'all the end results at the end of the video, so look out for that, for the end up real quick. Alright, so they do work with the daytime running lights. So just how you see that light flashing, I got all the lights off on auto, and it's flashing too. So it does work. Obviously it'll look a little better at night, but it does work. The DRL, the dual back. So when that switches back, it will be back to, I guess I'll show y'all what it looked like real quick. I was like, what the hell is that? You can see the two lights. Got the left, got the right. You can wrap them backwards and put them down if you want to, but I like them like that because they kind of hidden, but they not. When you coming down the road, they kind of hidden. But yeah, that's what they look like. I'm not done just yet. I still got to put this one in or just wire it up, but I got it wired. You seen on the other one, I drilled a hole right there behind it. You kind of, well, you can see that where the hole's drilled at. And then I got it coming from under here on both sides with the line, and then feeding to this right here all the way around, and then it pretty much goes up from there on this side. So like I said, I didn't want to make a video on it all too much, but it's the same concept if you get it. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like at the end. Alright, so I got that one working too. Good. The hazards, like I said, I have my hazards set up weird, so the hazards just don't work on it. But they do work. They are daytime running lights. They do run in the daytime, and then even at night they'll be doing the same thing. So they are DRL switchbacks. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you how the other side one more time. They both sides work. Like I said, I already have it wired up, so let me know if y'all want to know how I wired it up or what. I can make it so easy for y'all. Just let me know. I can show you how I wired it up. I use a tester. I'll show you exactly what wires you need to use. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all this other side real quick, and then I'm gonna be done. They are DRLs. They all do match with that. Day and night. So yeah, it's your brother Josiah, man. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all can get updated on every video I post. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Giving y'all a lot of content, man. And yeah, just leave a comment at the bottom. Let me know what y'all think. Is it bad? Is it wrong? Or whatever it might be. Any more ideas that I can do. But it's your brother Josiah, and I'm out, man. Peace.